For final hearing or good. Good. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರ್ಲಾಕೆ Seven to 9.
Page 5, 17, my lords. 17. Am I audible, my lords?
Yes, you are audible.
In 17, my lords, there is a small issue that is regarding the matrimonial Texas judgment. We want a OCA card. I have informed the senior counsel, Sushila Madam also. Lordship may have it on 28th, my lords.
28th.
28th, my lords. Because we have to file a joint memo in that one. Accepting the Texas. I am for the respondent in the first matter, appellate in the second matter, my lords.
As requested by response counsel, list on 28.
28.
Yes, my lords.
Page 7, seal number 18 and 19. Page 8, seal number 20 to 24. Page 9, seal number 25 to 31. Page 10, seal number 32 to 35.
Your cross objection is there? You have submitted that. Who has moved it? Kotal moved anta idella. They have moved. You appear for the
P. Suresh.
It is submitted that this matter is connected to MFA crop number so and so. This both the matters together. This is in final hearing admission. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ TCS ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2 weeks
ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Page 10, seal number 32 to 35. Page 11, seal number 36. Page 12, seal number 37 to 40. Page 13, seal number 41 to 44. Page 14, seal number 45 and 46. For orders, seal number 1, H.N. Basvaraju, Sukumaran for R1 and R2, AGF for R3.
My lords, if may, please. Yesterday, the senior members of the bar, the office bearers of the association and the bar council members had a meeting. Lords, we wanted to stage our protest towards the recommendations made by the Honorable Supreme Court's Collegium for transfer of the judges from this Honorable Court. Lords, as a token of that protest, we are abstaining from court work for 1 hour. I understand, Lords. Lords, this is an...
mentioning that.
Lords, the reason is that if any matters... Lords, if any learned member of the bar, Lords, is cooperating for the protest, and we are only requesting your Lords may not damage any of the matters.
It is for the office bearers of the bar. What is to be done?
Yes, my Lords. Yes.
Right.
Lords, all the...
Yes, send this communication.
Yes, to the Honorable Chief Justice. It is
the Chief Justice.
in the court hall.
Lords, because this is because we have to request the members of the bar who are in the court hall. Lords, if your Lordship is feeling offended by it, we are sincerely apologetic about it, Lords. But I'm just making a request so that I can request the members of the bar, Lords, so that they can cooperate.
It's 11:30.
You request the members of the bar out of the court.
Lords, we could not because of the time factor, Lords. The sitting started by that time. The members of the bar.
Please.
I understand, my lords. Lords, it is for a cause. I can.
Sir, you are asking us to do something that which you are protesting against the judgment of, judicial of the Supreme
No,
Court.
my lords. The opinion which was expressed by all the learned senior members of the bar was the other way around, my lords. That the integrity with which
Like,
the
we believe this is not the way of doing this.
For an
All right.
hour, my lord. 10:30 to 11:30.
Right, Mr. Rajagopal.
We are
lords,
not-
as a matter of
They
fact,
have to communicate it. They have communicated it in the chambers, it seems. They have
My
communicated.
lords, to start
Where
with,
is
we have
the
met the Chief Justice and come and inform.
lords, the
about it, my
other,
lords.
You are, what are you in
I'm
the
governing council here, my lords.
governance?
Yes, ma'am.
You have communicated it to the chambers now?
Yes, my lords.
Then
We have
why are
been,
you making this?
we are just
submission
coming
here?
one court after another.
No,
my
why
lords,
are you
because of
making
the
this
time.
in the court halls?
That 10:30 to 11:30, no damages may be done to the.
No, we are present to the request,
very well, my
Aware
lords.
of it.
I will not say anything beyond
conscious of that.
lordships.
My ladyship is only mentioning that we are present to it.
Very well,
We are
my lords.
conscious of it.
Not a word beyond it, my lords, from my side. We are so grateful.
Conscious of it.
We are so
conscious
grateful.
of it.
Grateful.
We are conscious of it.
ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes,
Bill number 1.
My lords, I appear for the appellants, my lords. I pray for a week's time, my lords.
what is that office objection on that? I
My
have
lords, IA number 1, we have filed, my lords, for recalling the,
so many years.
please, my lords.
What is the office
Lords,
objection?
due to
on
COVID, my lords, we were not aware of the fact that it was dismissed for non-prosecution.
IA is notified for compliance of office of Wakalat of H.N. Basavaraj not filed. Without filing upon.
No, we have
Wakalat,
filed,
they
my
have
lords.
filed application.
No, we were on the record, my lords. We were the advocate on record. In 2021 only, we have filed the wakalat, my lords.
No, so one B.A. Redappa was on record, K.M. Murari Mouni and Ben Redappa.
My lords, I
But
can,
not there.
I filed the wakalat along with Mr. Basuras. After I became the senior counsel, Basuras name is mentioned.
Then why their name is not shown? There, Wakalat.
Basuras name.
Then, see, if Wakalat was there, he should have responded to the objection, office objection. Why are you seeking time for compliance?
Yesterday we moved the matter, application was filed day before yesterday. Office raises some.
No, you said you have filed, your Wakalat was there earlier itself.
It is there.
But office objection is that he has not filed Wakalat, then he should have responded to that objection.
come.
We will make our. Since we moved the matter and matter in that inquiry.
Rajagopal advocate,
Yes,
P.A.
my
Redappa,
wakalat is there.
Murari
Even in
Mouni.
the order, my lord, my name is citizen.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ P.A. Redappa have signed it.
So it is Redappa given with the.
No objection.
In his place. I
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
filed-
ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ವಕಾಲತ್ತನ್ನ.
ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ.
I will
ಈ ತರ
get corrected and do it. Sorry for the inconvenience.
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ.
ನಮ್ಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ ಬಸವರಾಜಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಿಮ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್.
That arrangement I will make it. Absolutely.
That
Sorry
request,
for the inconvenience.
finally 1 week time is granted to comply the office objections, failing which IA 2 of 2025 shall stand rejected. Yes. IA 1 and 2 presented.
Grateful, my lord.
Bill number 2. M.R. Hiremathad, Rudrappa, R. Gopal for R1
Appearing
to
for
R3.
appellant in my lord, one appeal. My lord, in previous occasion, my lord, there was no interim order in front of any parties, my lord. Two appeals are pending, my lord. In the last date of hearing, my lord, the respondent filed an application seeking interim order, my lord. Interim order has been granted, my lord. My lord, kindly see the IA filed by me, my lord.
Your notice of this application is not was not issued 2 of
My lord,
2023.
already two times, my lord, I have paid process fee, my lord. Again, today also I have paid, my lord, in respect of R6, my lord.
6C.
6C, I'm sorry, R6C, my lord. My lord, now I have filed application, my lord. Application has been put up today itself, my lord.
Application for
My lord, modifying the interim order, my lord. In the last date of hearing, my lord,
only
on,
IA 2 of 2023.
on my lord, 17/3/2000.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೇರೆ?
Connected matter ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
First matter ನಲ್ಲಿ lordship he has filed a plea wherein he has to take
Even
steps not for R6.
2 of 2023 ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
R6C ಗೆ he has to take steps in the first matter.
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
ನಾನು I have to take steps for R6D, the second matter. Take steps.
6B have appeared.
In the second matter, 7:30.
First matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ
R6C.
Chikkanagowda for R6B.
C.
Last melody of
6A Sharadamma served. Sumangla Chikkanagowda for R6B anta ide. 6C ಗೆ appearance, you have filed it subsequently. Have you filed the wakalat subsequently?
Oh, he had filed, in which case, my lord?
RFA 1094 of 2011.
I have undertaken to appear for R1 to R3 in that case, first case.
Correct, R1 to ಅಲ್ಲ LR 6C ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
6C ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
6C is
They are
one
my opponents.
Nagaraj son of Basappa.
Yes. I'm not appearing for them, my lord.
I have paid process fee twice, my lord. Today also I
Third
have.
time you pay
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ
absent ಅದ. Take appropriate. That is finally. 2 weeks time is granted to do the needful in respect of R6C. ಎಷ್ಟು 2023. Okay, if needful is done, issue notice of I2 of 2023 to proposed response 6C. Refused ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ sufficient ಅಂತ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Otherwise we can proceed ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are not selling together, those R, A, B and C,
Problem, my lord, intentionally avoiding this notice, my lord.
because others too have, B has appeared.
Yes, my lord.
ಚಿಕ್ಕನಗೌಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಚಿಕ್ಕನಗೌಡ್ರು ಫಾರ್ R6B. ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, because we do not know why it was not brought to the notice of subject. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ದು when 25 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. What is his name? Nagaraj son, correct. We'll hold it sufficient.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
In my case also, my lord, 6B.
ಅದು
6B, one of the
absent.
others, my lord, of R6.
ಅವರು ಅವರೇನಾ?
Second, thrice, my lord.
ಅವ್ರ ಬೇರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ, but ರವಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ ಮೊದಲು. As per sir. The endorsement on the postal cover shows that proposed response 6C has refused the notice. Therefore, service of notice on him is held sufficient. ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅದು? Is it in time? ಯಾವಾಗ ತೀರೋಗಿದ್ದವರು? Died on 21/8/2022.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed it on 31/3. Suit was for?
Partition, my lord.
Partition and separate for the
Okay, to
suit is decreed. In respect of certain items for which he has come, and in respect of certain items it has been dismissed.
No, they were defendants.
Yes, they are first appellants in.
R3 was one of the plaintiffs. Setting aside abatement of the prayer. Why have you not filed, I mean, you have, at least you have not made a prayer, single application is enough for setting aside the abatement. Orders on I number 2 of 123. Heard. Respond number 3 pending was plaintiff number 3 before the trial court pending the appeal. Pending the appeal. Reportedly died on 21/8/2022. The above application is filed to bring her LRs on record. 6D are represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ರಾಜಪ್ಪ served. ABD. The relationship of the response with the deceased is not under dispute. Cause of action survives against him. Therefore, the application is allowed. The appellant is permitted to bring on record the LRs as response number 6A to D on record. Appeal memo shall be amended and the amended appeal memo shall be furnished accordingly. I2 of 2023 to disposed of accordingly. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
6B, my lord, Ravi has taken notice, my lord, thrice. And told, my lord, he had signed the
ನೋಡಿ
economic bank.
ಇದು ಹಾಕಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. and 733. ಇದು appeal memo ಕೊಡಿದ್ರು. IA number ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ದು?
IA number
ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. She was respondent number?
he was responding.
Respondent number.
Basappa died. That is respondent number
4.
6, my lord.
4 also Basappa, 6 also Basappa.
6.
Now you want to bring her, but it is reported that Sharadamma is also not alive. You want to bring her on record as LR, but in the connected appeal it is reported that she is no more.
In my appeal, my lord, he is not there. He is not there.
In their appeal, the Sharadamma herself was a respondent. She was party before the trial court.
No, madam. Sharadamma was not party before
You
the
are,
trial court.
she
my
was
lord.
made party in your appeal.
Yes,
first
madam. Yes,
time.
miss, my lord. When the Basappa, my lord, respondent
Correct,
number
ಅದನ್ನ
6
rectify
died, my lord.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. You get that rectified. 1 to 3. And A number 1 to 3 of 2023. One Sharadamma and her children are sought to be brought on record as the LRs of deceased respondent number 6, Basappa. In the connected matter, it is reported that the Sharadamma is also no more. Appellant's counsel shall correct this.
One can mention. I have filed one IA, my lord. IA 1/25, my lord.
Already on record. Proposed R, B to D, my lord. They are the children.
They are already on record. Then
They are already on.
why did you file application if they were already on?
Application is filed to bring LRs of R6. Notice was ordered. Now, my lord, in respect of R6B, my lord, the notice I have taken, but it has been returned. Now I have to take steps, my lord, in respect of R6B. But R6A is Sharadamma, my lord, who is already served. But R6,
But now it is reported that she is also dead.
he is also dead, but she will be represented by 6B to D in my.
Correct ಅದನ್ನ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
Memo I put in.
Appellant's counsel shall correct rectify the same in the applications accordingly. Then the 2 of 2025 to modify the interim
IA
order.
1/25, my lord. In previous occasion, my lord, there was no interim order
But
in
one,
favor of
two
any
of-
parties, my lord. In previous occasion, my lord, they have filed an application, my lord. I have constructing a house in my property, my lord. Now kindly see the photographs, my lord, document number 1 and 3.
Last time also it had come.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್
It was opposed by them.
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮೈ
correct
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಬೈ
ಆಗ್ಲಿ
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ equity my lord because my lord kindly
ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ when did they commence construction? Whether it was with the permission of the court? Because 2021 this order. When did you commence? When did you apply for the construction?
I have produced photographs also my lord.
Photographs ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಯಾರು
1 year my lord since
even
1 year my
village
lord
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you need the
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
permission of the
1 year ಆಗಿದೆ 1 year ಆಗಿದೆ
correct you need the permission of the local church. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ objection
It is
ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ.
produced, my lord. What has happened is, I filed application, my lord, on 19/2/25.
No
When I
order has
reviewed
been
the
passed.
matter, it came up on, my lord, 28/2/2025. Then they took time to file objection. Thereafter, my lord, it was posted on 17.
He is seeking modification of the order dated 17/3/2000. 21.
25, my lord, 25.
21.
After hearing my lord, the matter.
Due to typographical error, my lord, it is mentioned as 21.
ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಎರರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ?
Madam, I will file my affidavit, my lord. I will
Such
not
order
claim any
and-
equity, my lord, in the event of, my lord.
Pending of subsection shall be, another other application shall be complied within 10 days, least after 2 weeks. Yes.
And the date may be fixed, my lord. Now the stage is, my lord, I have to.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. For any construction, you require a permission of the local authorities. Where is the permission you have taken?
Hallili, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ.
Pending this appeal, if you have started, did you seek the permission of the court to commence the construction?
There is no entry order, my lord, in previous
I am
sections, my
trying
lord. I
to
have
share, my
started.
lord, in that property. In the vacant space, my lord, he puts up. And I filed application
Wherever next
earlier. But thereafter, he took time, my lord, to file objection.
Next.
Seal number 3, N. Krishnaswamy, D. Bopanna for R1 to R3.
I got respondents 1 to 3 in this case, sir. Connecting this legal process without appeal in effect 1174 of 2020, my lord.
Non-filing of affidavit. What is that affidavit?
In fact,
My lord,
last time I had submitted that we have deposited the amount and LCR is called. My lord felt that no such order in this appeal. However, claimant has filed an appeal. In that, this honorable court has called for LCR. It has come to the court. And I have also deposited my learned friend also vouches for it. Therefore, affidavit I am filing today. I have sent it for swearing, my lord.
So again pass over. Yes.
my lord, connecting this claimants of the preferred appeal in MFA 1174 of 2020, my lord.
There, LCR is
Now,
called.
counsel for the appellant seeks time to submit the affidavit. Now, counsel for response 1 to 3 submits that this matter is connected to MFA number so and so. List both the matters together on after vacation.
10-6. Seal number 4, S. Nirmala, H.S. Santosh for R2 to 4.
R6 and 7, respond number 3 and 4. R6 died in the year 2015 and R7, the daughter of R6 is there. They were R2 and R4 before the tribunal. R2. This is 679. R2 ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, she was R3. Respondent number 6 was R3 before the tribunal. Puttama.
6 and 7 ಗೆ dispensation ಕೇಳಿ.
7,
6 and 7
she was R4. She was, this Puttama was not R2, she was R3.
they
were
are
wrongly
R3 and 4 in the
correct, in your appeal memo,
Alas,
yes, sure. Yeah,
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ in this they all in my appeal they become the R6 and 7.
correct, madam. But trial court ranks she has shown as R2 and R4, but she was R3.
R3 and R4 ಇಬ್ರುನು
Correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Officer.
ಅವರಿಬ್ರು petition dismiss ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ. Claim petition has been dismissed. But however, they have been made party as per the cost title of the MSC. That's why I am seeking for dispensation.
Where is
But claim petition or may dismiss agide sir.
79. Action against R3 and 4 is dismissed. But when she is dead, where is the question of seeking dispensation?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
that
ಆಫೀಸ್
has
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
to
ನಾವು
be
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
reported.
ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ objection raise
Correct,
ಮಾಡಿ.
dead ಅಂತ report ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
No, no, as per the cost title of the trial court, we have made the
The
party.
records show that respondent number 6 and 7 were respondents 3 and 4 before the tribunal, and the claim petition against them. There were 2 vehicles involved,
House.
or they were the relatives of the deceased.
No, only one vehicle, my lord. Nanjunda was the one who was
So
driving
they
the-
were the relatives, they claimed to be the relatives of the
No,
deceased.
no, what happened, my lord? They are the illegal wife and daughter. They have also filed a claim. And the OS has been filed to declare them as the legal heirs. The same came to be dismissed, my lord. In view of that, the trial court has.
Their claim was dismissed by the tribunal. Now respondent number 6 is reported dead. Respondent number, and she is survived by respondent number 7. Appellant is seeking dispensation of notice to respondent number 7. For the opposite facts and circumstances, notice to respondent number 7 is dispensed with. The appellant's counsel shall note the death of respondent number 6 in the cost title of the appeal memo and correct her trial court's rank also, and furnish the copy of the amended appeal memo. List after 2 weeks.
Bill number 5, Manjunath Indi.
Stay and.
Really?
My lord, there is an application for stay also listed today.
Appeal against R6 is dismissed on target already.
Stay and delay. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ. Stay ನು ಇದೆ, delay ನು ಇದೆ.
Others are already served.
Lord, they were already in record when the
Served.
case was.
ಯಾರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Are there
ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ
minors?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಎಂತದ
H.S. Santosh for R2 to
ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
H.S. ಸಂತೋಷ್. ಅದ್ಯಾರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ absence ಅನ್ನ advance ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. List on ಈಗಲೇ before vacation already. You correct the amend the cost title of the appeal.
29-4. Bill number 5, Manjunath Indi, V.C. Shivannegowda.
The copy has been not served, my lord.
Copies are not served.
Please, move.
No representation for the appellant. No representation for the appellant. 2 weeks time is granted to comply the office objections.
Bill number 6,
For appellant,
H. Maltesh.
filing a memo for dispensation to the second respondent, third respondent.
Mulkan.
Kindly refer to the local tomorrow, please, ma'am. It will be settled.
ಲೋಕ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
Please.
Is filing memo for dispensation to
For R3 ನನ್ನ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ R1.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು connected case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. R3 is ನಿಮ್ಮ case. Now consult for the appellants. File memo for dispensation of notice to respond number 1 and 3 respectively in the above office appeals. Since the insurers contractual liability, you are not disputing your liability.
ಇಲ್ಲ only quantum, please.
Since under the influent award, the liability to pay compensation is fastened against respondent 2. This too, respectively in the above appeals, is dismissed with as preferred. The matters are as requested. Matters are referred to local adalats.
Tomorrow, please.
ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ
Please.
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Bill number 7, Ketan Kumar.
Memo of withdrawal may be filed.
Before JMFC Bangalore. Restitution. 1B.
Most ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
resolution of divorce was granted. He has come in appeal. Now he wants to be the trial. Yes. Here his signature is also there. Appearance counsel has submitted memo for withdrawal of the appeal under the signature of the appellant. For recording the memo, the appeal is dismissed as withdrawal.
Number 8, Mohammed
Will permit you to serve through that proceedings. What is that execution case number?
It is one of 2025. Section 1 of 2025.
Allowing counsel for the appellant submits that the
One of 2025. Today only.
in execution of the impugned decree, the respondent has filed execution petition number 1 of 2025 before family court Shimoga and evading notice here. Therefore, issue emergent notice to the respondent for service through the service to the family court Shimoga in execution petition number 1 of 2025. Alle saru madi hogi iga. Take this order. Communicate the copy of this order to the trial court, executing court. ಅಥವಾ hand delivery ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡಿ. Correct what we said. You take hand delivery, you send it across by fax or mail. For the court. Interim stay of the impugned decree till next hearing date. Till next. You take the copy. You are not prepared to take the copy.
Will take.
Communicate the copy of this order to the executing court.
Seal number 9, Srinivas Devati, party in person. Shiv Prasad Shantangoda.
Your Honor, I want to place 2 written statements on record with this honorable court. I had filed these 2 written statements on 27 January 2025. Karnataka. Also include the High Court of Karnataka Tapal branch receipt.
The apparent party in person is not ready to engage the.
Your Honor, if I may, the report of the party in person committee was before I presented these written statements.
Appeal is dismissed for non-compliance. Yes.
Your Honor, I want to move the memo.
Now your appeal is dismissed. You can't move any memo.
Seal number 10, Geeta.
Your Honor, I have filed a memo under order 27 rule 6 of CPC.
To ask the securities to come and remove you from here.
The respondent is yet to give the consent letter, Your Honor.
Understand? We directed you to engage the counsel. You are already held that you are incapable of conducting the proceedings. Committee has also held and we also observed. Despite we asking, you are not ready to engage the counsel.
Your Honor,
we have no option.
But
We are
my request is that you
After-
kindly please, I have filed these written
Once-
statements
once
for the
we
kind
dis-
attention
you
of
are
the Honorable
agreeing.
Chief Justice.
Mr.
I request that this appeal be listed in CH-1 tomorrow. I'll take it up with the Honorable Chief Justice.
Go and move there. Once we have dismissed the appeal, you don't have further right of audience.
No,
If you
Your Honor.
keep on insisting, we have to call the security
Your
people.
Your Honor,
From here.
I'll
Next
appoint,
person.
this is because you're threatened me to dismiss the writ appeal for which I have filed all the documentation.
The cost rating. Court coming in the cost rating of the trial court. Who are 3 and 4?
3 and 4 are the,
There, one of them is claimant.
yes, my lords.
Their address is not furnished in the.
ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾನೇ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಾಳಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ
Respond.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ
Yes, my lords.
Certified copy, not your
Yes,
copy.
yes, then,
Or if decrease, why have you not produced the decree?
uh, 2 days time may be given. I'll cross check and verify, my lords. Kindly, my lords.
As requested, list on.
On the ground that section 14, there is a bar. Within 1 year, I have made the application, for which I made IA2 under section
Copy is
14.
not. Copy is
The simple case is dismissal.
the copy of IA
2.
of 2025. Therefore, office of
Make my submission, Lord.
it is because it is filed within 1 year. It's what
Implement of this section. They have prepared an appeal before this.
All For 5 years, petitioner is the resident of Margaret. What's up this?
Ask your party to sit
Allah,
there.
Allah.
Why?
The facts
Ask
and
your party